Atlee. Oh, did you learn how to open that with your two bottom teeth? Isn't that clever? Tin. Good job, baby. Way to get some snacks. Let's put these up. That's the way to get some snacks. Hey, that is the way. That's how you open the lid. Show them how you open it. Those two bottom teeth. Good job, baby. Good job, Atlee. Yay. 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 Good job. Now you can have one. Good job, baby. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hold on. Let's keep digging in.